Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In my last video I shared with you my gold jewelry collection, right? So today I'm going to show you how I clean my gold jewelry, right? Okay, so here I go. I have a few pieces of my gold jewelry like I showed you in my last video. I have some pieces here. I have a bit of water, toothpaste, and a toothbrush, right? So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply damp the toothbrush a bit. Get a bit of the toothpaste. Probably just mix that together, make it easier. I'm just going to simply just scrub the jewelry like that. Now of course you guys know I clean my Pandora jewelry with baking soda, right? You could use baking soda in this too as well. And I can also, people like to use, they tell me in a few comments in my other video about using this technique on the Pandora with the toothpaste, but to me Pandora jewelry is so delicate that I'm not taking the chance. I strictly stick with the baking soda. But the gold jewelry is so more robust that I will use this toothpaste technique on the gold jewelry. I just scrub away like this. I just leave it for a few minutes and then wash it off. This toothpaste I'm using is Sensodyne. The other toothpaste like Pepsodent and Colgate and maybe whatever else you're using, you find you might get more of a lather with it. But this is just as effective. This is what I use for sensitive teeth. I use Sensodyne toothpaste. This will look so shiny when I'm done. This is my wedding band. Okay, so here's my jewelry after applying the toothpaste on it, and I let it set for like a few minutes, about 10 minutes, and now I'm going to wash them out. So I'm just going to put this aside. I have some water here. Right, I'll just probably just use my fingers and also tool just for that looking so good already. I'll take a toothbrush and just to brush it a bit because just to make sure I get off all the toothpaste is on the jewelry. Maybe it's mine over matte, but this is looking so shiny already. Wash that off. Allow that to dry. This is my eternity band. When this is clean, it looks so shiny. It just shines and shines and shines. Look at that. Yes, you can really see the beauty of it, but I'm seeing it already. Maybe if I want to focus. Yeah, there you go. Let me show you the other one in case you didn't see the last time. So I'll just continue this. I'm just brushing to get off all the excess toothpaste. Oops. what I will do, like if I would on normal circumstances, I'll just simply put the jewelry under the pipe and wash them off, use my fingers, and I guess for final touch still use a toothbrush. I use my fingers like at this point here, just wash them off, wash off this is a necklace here. Okay folks, so here's my gold jewelry, all nice and clean. Just give you a close-up how they're looking. Yeah, inexpensive way to clean your jewelry, your gold jewelry. Toothpaste, who would have believed? And we used to do this when I was much younger, just that I totally forgot about the practice, you know. And I hardly used to clean my jewelry, to be honest, recently. But now, as in Tortola, the British Virgin Islands, there are not many stores, jewelry stores available where you can get this stuff clean. If I go to St. Thomas, of course, they have a wider variety of jewelry stores, and I'm sure they were going to clean the jewelry too as well. But we are a bit limited, so it's good to know how to clean your own jewelry for yourself, even just temporary, you know. And it looks pretty good, you know. It looks pretty good. And like I said before, this one, my eternity band, it shines. I don't know if you can see it there. It just shines and shines when I clean it. Look at that. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.